Hello, my name is Laiba, and I'm excited to introduce you to Teepee.ai, the tool that will help you boost your students' GCSE and A-level grades using the power of AI. Teepee.ai is an innovative platform that provides AI-generated and marked, specification-aligned exam-style questions with instant feedback. It's designed to save you time and enhance your teaching experience. Let's take a closer look at how it works. The first step is to create a classroom. Simply give it a name and choose the subject you are teaching. Your class will be created and a code will be provided which can be shared with your students. Now let's create a quiz. Click on the Create Your First Quiz Now button and name your quiz. Click on the Add My Quiz Details button to choose its specifications. Teepee.ai offers different types of quizzes, including formative assessments, exam-style quizzes, and mini-mock exams. Today we will be creating an exam-style quiz. Select the specific topic, subtopic, and areas you would like to cover, as well as the number of questions you would like to have in your quiz. With your preferences set, click Generate, and let Teepee.ai work its magic. Your quiz is now ready to go. The settings of your quiz can also be adjusted as needed. Share the quiz directly with your students or save it as a draft for later. I will be sharing it with my students right now. Shared quizzes will automatically appear in the student's classroom interface. Students start by entering their classroom code. Doing this brings up a dashboard of their enrolled classrooms. By selecting View Class, they'll find the quiz listed under the Do These section. Clicking on the quiz prompts the student to enter their name and their answers. After they have attempted the quiz, they can hit the Submit button to finalize their attempt. Teepee then delivers instant personalized AI feedback and marking along with model answers for a comprehensive learning experience. Teepee.ai simplifies quiz evaluation too. As a teacher, you can access each student's results, including their responses, scores, correct answers, and Teepee's feedback. You even have the flexibility to customize this feedback. This showcases how Teepee.ai leverages AI to enhance teaching efficiency and effectiveness. Don't hesitate to start exploring Teepee.ai and witness the amazing impact on your classroom learning. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.